Welcome to another episode of Parker's Epic Adventures.
Today we are building a rocket. What do we have here? This is the Colonizer? We got the Colonizer? Did Santa bring this to you? Yeah. Follow the directions.
Yeah. Always follow those directions, guys. Always do. Look at this, guys. That's awesome.
What do we have here? We have a screwdriver. What is this?
The glue. The glue.
Alright, so we went to the store and we got this because on the box it says you need to have plastic cement.
And look what we just found. Plastic cement.
In the box.
In the box.
It doesn't even show it on here. You know what else it tells you that you need?
What?
Batteries.
Guys, crazy, right?
I guess we don't need to get batteries.
Yep.
Alright, so that's over here. Ooh, looks like we have to put some stickers on it. That's gonna be fun.
Wait,
This.
I didn't know those were stickers.
That's the launch pad.
And bum-ba-da-da.
Stuff here. Are those the directions?
Yep, these are the takeoff directions.
Alright, first things first, we spread everything out on the table and make sure we have everything that we need to build this rocket.
This is the rocket. Yeah.
That's what we're going for. Hopefully it's gonna look like that.
Yep.
There is the parachute. So, number one, apply plastic cement.
Plastic cement.
Looks like we put this together. Alright, so step one, complete.
Look, time.
There we go. That's it. Alright. That was step 5.
That was cool. That's where the fire comes out of. Whoa! This is starting to look cool, guys.
Apply decals.
Right there.
Alright. Boom. We're getting there.
Can't wait to test this thing out.
Recovery wadding. This material protects recovery system from hot ejection gases. Okay, okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wrap it. And then, can you put that down in there? It's a rocket!
Why do we need a screwdriver, dude?
I don't know yet. It says place cap.
There's a hole.
Safety cap. Take that off before launch. Put it on when you're not launching.
Why safety cap when you're not launching?
You know how you ran into that tree with the cones next to it?
Yeah.
For the same reason.
So it doesn't just go off?
So you don't run into it while it's not in launch. Ow!
The batteries. I got 1 out, 2 out, 3 out, 4.
Insert safety key. Light still should not glow. Press safety key down hard and hold. Light should glow bright. Safety key down, just the safety key. You don't have to press too hard. And now press that and hold it. There you go, perfect. Yeah. Nice. All right, so it works. Now we know it works. Those are tests to make sure that this is working properly.
All right, guys, this is it. We put it all together. Let's go test it out.
Are we gonna lose it today?
No.
Fingers crossed we don't lose it today. 15 miles per hour coming out of the east. We're gonna angle it a little bit. We'll see what happens.
Angle it that way. Far from the east. Guys, we're going to fly the truck. I mean, fly the rocket. Ah!
Oh, you monkey.
We got him good, guys. We're at our park. And
All right, this is gonna go on, and then we're gonna get the drone up in the air, okay?
yeah.
Probably gonna.
This thing is definitely tangled.
Control point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
All right, are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wasn't so bad, wasn't it?
Oh, into the tree. It made it out of the tree. Here.
Man, guys, this is crazy right now. Oh, wow. Woo. Oh, it made it through the tree. And, whoa, there it is, guys. I'm gonna do this again.
Fist bump.
Let's do it again.
Let's do it again. We have one more. In 3, 2, 1. For the parachute, there it goes. Is that an American flag parachute? Ah, no.
Yeah.
Oh. Awesome. Oh, it's gonna be perfect. Look at that. Like Dad planned it. Look at that. Look at that. Touchdown! Here.
All right, you there?
Turbo speed!
Turbo speed! He's on it. He's on it. I won.
It is.
That was awesome.
2 launches and we got it back both times.
And you were wrong.
You're right, we did not lose. If you guys can hear the wind, you'll understand why I thought we were gonna lose it.
Hello guys, I hope you liked this video and give us a big thumbs up. See you on the next channel. If you like it, subscribe. Peace out.